Good day, students. Do practice your drawing work and get prepared for your exams. Myself, Tasneem, your art teacher, is here to revise your previous chapters and also a new work today. So be attentive. Do you remember, kids? We made designs using basic shapes, that is square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Practice again from your art book on page number 13, 14, 15 and 16, or watch my videos for the same. Students, tell me, what is step by step? It means working on something one step at a time. Look here, as it is shown here, as we climb a staircase one step at a time, and we learn to write words by learning one word, that is A, B, C, and then two-letter words, that is A, M, A, N, A, S. Then we learn to write three-letter words, that is BAT, bat, FAN, fan, and so on. And this is the way we learn to write. So this method is called step by step. Kids, do you know where we get wool from? Which we wear sweaters in winter. We get it from a fluffy little animal which is soft and very cute. You are right. It is a sheep. It has 4 legs, 2 ears, small fluffy tail, and eats hay. What is hay? It's a dried grass. It gives us wool and also milk. It is our farm animal too. So today we will learn how to draw a sheep, step-by-step drawing of sheep on page number 19. Follow the same steps shown on the left side of your art book. Step by step of sheep, and we will practice it once again. So let's watch the video to understand it better and practice the same in our drawing book and the art book. Here the 3 steps of a sheep is given in your art book on the left hand side. We will just practice these step by step method in any drawing book or a rough book. Here I will draw an oval shape first. An oval shape is a shape like an egg. Another big oval shape in a sleeping position. Now this step will also have the first step to complete the sheep. Now this second oval, we will draw it with the pencil as it is not required. It is just to give the outline of our second step. So here I will draw some curvy lines around the second oval to complete my second step, and then a rectangle, 4 rectangles for its leg. Now for the third, and the circles for the eyes. I just forgot. This is the second step. Now the third step will also have the first step, then second step, and then we will complete the sheep. So just watch carefully. First we will draw the oval shape. Then now we will just draw the curvy lines as we don't require the second oval shape. But if you are not confident of making it, you draw it with the pencil. Then the eyes, and then the ears, the nose and smiling shape. And now the rectangles. With the help of the rectangles, we will draw the sheep legs. Just watch the video very carefully. The rectangle for the leg is only used as the outer part of the leg. It helps us that our legs are maintained in a same shape as legs. Now we will draw the same in our art book. So come on, let's watch. Dotted lines are given. We will just trace it along on the dotted lines with the pencil and then with the black sketch pen. And if you are not having a black sketch pen, kids, you can use a black crayon or a black pencil color. I am for my outline, but be careful to just follow the dots carefully. Outline is done. We will start with the coloring. The face over here is a yellow chrome color or a darker yellow color. And then the legs are also same, and then the ears are in pink color. So color it accordingly as shown on the left side. Now the sheep is white, so we will just give a shadow of the sheep on the outer side. With a grey color. So now this is done. This should be the final drawing. Practice a step-by-step drawing in your rough book or any other drawing book, and also practice the chapters which are being taught earlier. So kids, study well and practice all the chapters mentioned in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.